Good morning, students. Today's subject is maths. Take a book, Building Blocks, a fun way to learn numeracy skill. Open this book. Open page number 4. Okay, open page number 4. Today we learn odd one out. Here is given a question. Cross the odd one out in each set. In English, we learn same and different things. According to that pattern, here is given some pictures of cap. One cap is different. These caps are same. So we can cross this cap because this one is different. These are same and this one is different. So this one is odd one. So we can cross this cap. Okay, take a pencil and cross this cap. Okay, done it. Now look next picture. Here is given some picture of balls, but one picture is ring. So this one is different or these are same. So we can cross this ring. Okay, take a pencil and cross this ring. Okay, now next, here is given some pictures of lemon, and here is one picture of fruit, apple. These are lemon and this one is fruit. So this one is different. So this one is odd. So cross this apple. Okay, because these are lemon and this is apple. This is a fruit. This is different from this. So we can cross this apple. Okay, finish. Now next picture. Here is given some flowers. Some flowers here. And in middle of the flower, one cactus plant. Okay, here is one cactus plant. These are flowers and this is a cactus plant. This one is different. So we can cross this cactus plant. This one is odd. These are flower and this is plant. So this one is odd. Cross this plant. Okay, finish. Now look next picture. Here is some keys. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Here is some keys, and in the middle of the keys here is one lock. Okay, 5 keys and one lock. So this one is different. Cross this lock. Okay, finish. Take your pencil and cross this lock. These are keys and this one is lock. Lock is different. So cross this lock. Okay. Now look next picture. Here is some chair. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Some chair given here, some chair, and one picture of stool. This stool or table, this one is different. Okay, these are chair and this one is table. So we can cross this टेबल. ओके, ये सब चेयर है और इसके बीच में ही एक टेबल है. तो इसमें अलग क्या है? टेबल अलग है, इसीलिए टेबल को क्रॉस करने का है. अंडरस्टैंड? दिस इज कॉल्ड ऑड वन आउट. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन? फिनिश एवरीवन? ओके, नाउ लुक नेक्स्ट पेज. पेज नंबर 5. पेज नंबर 5. Here is given some patterns, dotted patterns. This one is homework for you. Okay, this is HW for you. Here is given some patterns: sleeping line, standing line, slanting line, up down curve, left side curve, left side, right side curve. Here is given some pattern in dotted lines. You can trace these dotted lines. Okay, this is homework part. You done in homework in house. Okay, now turn the page. Open page number 6. Page number 6. Everyone open this page. Okay, here is we learn a new concept, big, small. Okay, we teach new concept, big and small. I will give you some example for big and small. Okay, here is one duck. This is big duck and this is small. This one is big, this one is small. Big, small. Okay, now I take another example. Here is 2 ball. This one is big, big ball and this is small. ये बड़ा है तो उसको big और जो छोटा है उसको small. Big यानी बड़ा, small यानी छोटा. Big, small. Okay. Now I will take another example. Here is 2 rings. This one is big and this one is small. Big ring, small ring. Big, small. Okay. Understand everyone? Now I will take another example. Here is toy car. Okay. Here is toy car. Big toy car. And this one is small toy car. Big car, small car. Okay. Understand everyone? Now I will take another example. Here is 2 book. This one is big book. This one is small book. Big and small. ये बड़ी बुक है, ये छोटी बुक है. बड़ी को big, छोटी को small. Understand? Understand this concept everyone? Now turn your textbook. Big and small. Here is picture of 2 animals. Elephant. Elephant is big. And mouse. Mouse is small. Big, small. Okay. Next is toy car. Big car. Cycle. Small cycle. Okay. Big, small. Now here is given one question. Circle small picture in its set. Here is given 2 pictures of ball. Take your pencil. Okay. Everyone take your pencil. Circle small picture in each set. Given here 2 ball. One ball is big, one ball is small. जो small है उसको circle करने का है हमें. जो small picture है उसको circle करने का. Here is big ball and here is small ball. This one red ball is small. So circle this red ball. Okay. Finish. This ball is big. This one is small. So circle this small ball. Okay. Finish. Now next picture. Here is given 2 fruits. Watermelon and orange. Watermelon is big fruit and orange is small fruit. So circle orange. Okay. Because orange is small and watermelon is big. So circle orange fruit. Okay. Done it everyone? Okay. Do fast. Okay. Finish. Good. Now next page. Page number 7. This is your homework part. HW. Okay. Here given one question. Color big balloon in each set. Here is given 2 balloon in set. One balloon is big, one balloon is small. Which balloon is big? You can color big balloon. This balloon is big, so we can color this balloon. Okay. Here also same, this one is small, this one is big. You can color this balloon. Okay. Same next question. Color big umbrella. Here is set of two umbrella. One umbrella is small and one is big. So you can color big umbrella. Okay. This is your homework part. All of you done your homework. Page number 7 and page number 5. 2 page are homework. Everyone do your homework. Okay. Thank you.